Some users have shared that all of a sudden, their Anker Soundcore Q20 has stopped or not charging anymore. Well, there is no charging red LEDs showing. Well, in this video, we're gonna fix the recharging issues on your Soundcore headphones. Now we're gonna start with the basics and usuals. Just go ahead, plug out the charger from your headphone, wait for around 10 to 30 seconds, and make sure it's plugged in properly. If you can turn on your headphone, next what you can do is just turn off your headphone. Again, wait for around 10 to 30 seconds, turn it on, and then try to charge it again. If it's still not charging, now just go ahead, check your cable, charger, power adapter. If available to you, use another charger to charge your headphone. If you have used a wall outlet, just try to use another port. Now, charging or not charging, Soundcore has suggested that just leave your headphones overcharged for 24 hours no matter there is a red light or not. After 24 hours, if your headphones are still not charging, and if you have another device that supports micro USB port, check with the device if the charger is functional. If the other device is charging but your Soundcore is not, there might be some hardware issue. Well, in that case, we recommend you to contact Soundcore customer support. Let us know in the comment section if this video helped you fix the not charging issue on your Life Q20 headphones. Thank you for watching.